It's time to decide what's going on our Christmas list. So, I think I've got a contender to show us today. Let's check it out. Come on. I think this could be a really cool contender for Christmas. It's Hairdorables Series 3. There are 39 dolls to collect and 11 surprises inside. And once you've found your awesome doll, you get to either colour or crimp or curl their hair. How cool is that? Come on, let's find out what we've got. Okay, let's see what we've got in Series 3.
Yes, 11 surprises inside, 39 dolls to collect. Colour, crimp and curl.
I know, it's so exciting, right, Aki?
Yes, it really is. And oh, look, here are some of the dolls we can collect. Aren't they gorgeous?
Oh, they are, Aki. I love it. They're so pretty.
Yes, they are. And look, here are all the surprises we could get inside. We've got the collector's list, we've got accessories. Oh, there's our new hair tool.
Awesome!
There's hair extensions. There's the doll and her outfit, shoes, some stickers. Oh, we've got the doll stand and a signature card.
Cool, Aki. Let's open it up.
Good idea. Open here. Ooh.
Cool.
It's like a cabin setting.
Oh, it's so cute, Aki.
Yes. And here are some of the dolls in Series 3.
Oh, they look so pretty.
Yes, they do. Wow. There's lots of different dolls. There are the signature dolls. And then, oh look, it says slumber party, dance party, and outdoor fun. This definitely looks like some outdoor fun. And here's our key. Oh, this is to tell us what the hair does.
Super cool.
Now, let's see what else we get with this new box.
Oh, what else do we get, Aki?
Well, look, on our setting, we get some pop-ups. Here's some logs and a bag of marshmallows. And the fire pops up too.
That's so cool, Aki. I love it. Let's see what we've got in our boxes, Aki.
Okay, let's see what's in box number 1. Oh, blind bag. Let's see if we can tear it open.
Cool, Aki.
What have we got? Oh, wow. Gorgeous little doll. Look at that hair.
Oh, she's so pretty, Aki. I wonder if we'll get her.
What else have we got in here? Oh, wow. Oh, is that? Looks like a lantern of some kind.
Oh, cool, Aki. Let's find out what's in the next one.
Okay, box number 2. What have we got in here?
Let's open it up.
We've got some stickers.
Cool.
And, ooh, we've got some very cute boots.
Oh, they're lovely. Time for box number 3, Aki.
Yes. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. Wow, it's a sign.
It's a camping sign, Aki.
Yes, and oh no, look, it's not a sign. It's Crimpers.
Oh, Aki.
I know, I thought it was a sign. It's Crimpers for the hair. Oh, this is going to be fun.
And what's in box number 4, Aki?
Let's see. Right, box number 4. What have we got? Oh, wow. Wow, it's a hair extension. What a gorgeous colour. And look at this clip. wow. And I don't quite know what this is. Oh, I think it's just to keep the hair together. It's a gorgeous pink hair extension.
Awesome.
Yes, let's see if there's anything else in there. We've got another gorgeous sticker.
Oh, I'm loving the hair on the stickers.
Yes, it's very cool.
Time for our doll, Aki. Wonder who we're going to get.
Let's see. It says, let's see what's in hair. Let's definitely see what's in hair.
You're so funny, Aki.
Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, wow. Look at her beautiful hair. Oh, gosh, wow. She is gorgeous.
Who did we get, Aki? Who did we get?
We got Carly.
Ooh.
And it says, Carly's bedtime routine is texting with friends.
I like doing that.
And her favourite flower is violet.
That's kind of obvious. Look at her gorgeous hair.
Yes, and her signature dance move is the robot.
Ooh, that's fun. And is she part of the outdoor fun group?
Yes, she is. There she is, Campin' Carly.
Cool. Wow.
And see, it says orange, so we get to crimp her extension.
Awesome. Let's check her out, Aki.
Okay, isn't she gorgeous?
She's so pretty, Aki. Look at her hair.
Yes, I had to borrow one of your hairbrushes and brush it out, but it's beautiful, isn't it?
It really is.
She's holding a special lantern torch so she can see everything, see where she's going, and look at her little boots.
They're so cute. I love them.
Shall we see what we can do with her hair extension?
Oh, yes, Aki, let's.
I've brushed that out too.
Oh, looks lovely.
Yes. Now, put that in there and press. Can you see it's crimped?
Oh, I can. I wonder if it'll work for my hair.
We'll have to check it out. Oh, look!
Oh, I love it. It's cool.
One more. There we go. Crimped hair.
So cool.
Really is. And should be able to clip it onto Carly. There we go.
Oh, she looks even cooler now, Aki.
Yes, she does.
This is definitely a contender for Christmas, don't you think? I think it's time to start toasting some marshmallows. So we'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.